And he said that if I go and prepare a place for you, I will be back. I will come back and take you, that you also may be where I am.
Какво означава това? Че той отива да подготви място за нас и ще се върне да ни вземи и да ни закара на това място.
That is the prophecy the Lord has sent me to announce here, that day of coming for you is near now.
Ето това е пророчеството, което Бог ме изпрати да ви дам.
Este día muy cerca. It's very near. If you put there the timeline of the book of 1 Thessalonians chapter 4:17,
Много скоро ще дойде това.
he's saying that day is near.
Ето този ден е скоро.
The day is near. Look at this now. He's saying we are here now.
Ние сме тук, Христовата.
We are in what we call the church age.
Ние сме тук в църковното време. Така.
And because the taking of the church is near, look, I put the arrow blinking.
Ето вижте сега как оставих това да мига.
And he says,
И той казва,
when he takes the church,
когато той докосне църквата,
he will take the church with him on this day, and they will go to a temporary place called the present heaven.
И тогава той ще вземе църквата и ще ходят на едно място, което е временно и се казва временните небеса.
And you remember 1 Thessalonians chapter 4:17.
Първо Солунци, 17 стих, 4.
And he said, and so shall we be with the Christ forever, with the Lord forever.
И за това ние ще бъдем с Христос за винаги.
Eternity with Jesus.
Вечност с Исус.
This is what he meant.
Ето това искаше той да каже.
That when you are taken up, you go with him into heaven.
Когато той ще ни вземе, ще отидем на небесата.
3 years of tribulation, 3.5 years of tribulation, 3.5 of great tribulation, and then you come back with him.
3 години и половина ще има турбуленции, 3 години и половина големи турбуленции,
And
и
then
тогава ще
You have 1,000 years with him, millennium of Christ.
И тогава ще има 1000 години заедно с Христос.
When the Messiah enters the eternal state, new heaven, new earth, new Jerusalem, you enter with him.
И тогава
You
ние
go with
влизаме
him.
заедно с Него. Ново небе, нова земя, нов Иерусалим.
And so shall we be with the Lord forever.
И затова ние ще бъдем с Господ за
That is
винаги.
what the Lord has sent me to announce to you here.
И затова Бог ме изпрати това да ви кажа днес.
He has sent me to announce to you, he has already put it back now to Philippians 3:20. He has sent me to announce to you that you belong to the kingdom of heaven.
Той ми изпрати да ви кажа, че вие принадлежите на небесното царство.
And that kingdom is near, so you need to start preparing.
И за това ви казвам, подгответе се, защото това царство наближи.